Hi everyone, Eric Stiegel, Lake Keowee Real Estate Pro. I want to take a couple of minutes and walk you through what's really happening in the Lake Keowee real estate market as we wrap up 2025. These numbers reflect activity from November and they tell a pretty interesting story. The first number that stands out is the median sales price. It came in right around $2 million. That's up about 35% from this time last year. Now, that doesn't mean every home jumped by that amount. What it really tells us is that more high-end waterfront homes were sold. Now, if we look at buyers, buyer activity has slowed. Homes going under contract were down significantly from last year. What I'm seeing is buyers being more selective. They're watching interest rates and the economy. They're comparing options and they're not rushing into anything. This is a very different market than we saw a few years ago. At the same time, inventory is rising. We're sitting at about 6 months of supply. That puts us much closer to a balanced market, not strongly favoring sellers, not fully a buyer's market. It really depends on the home and the location on the lake. Well-priced properties with good water, views, and condition are still selling, while overpriced homes are sitting longer. Even with slower pendings, closed sales were actually up year over year. That tells me that buyers who are in the market are serious. They're buying intentionally, not emotionally. So for buyers, this means you have more choices, less competition, and more room to negotiate, especially on homes that have been on the market for a while. And for sellers, opportunity is still there, but pricing and strategy matter more than ever. Getting the price right from day one is critical. Looking ahead into 2026, I expect the market to remain more balanced. While price growth may moderate, it will not collapse. The spring market will be a big indicator of what comes next. If you want to talk through what this actually means specifically for you, I'm happy to help. You can call or text me at 864-903-5719 or visit my website at lakekeoweerealestatepro.com. Thanks for taking a few minutes with me, and I hope we talk soon.